Doeet is one of the leading systems for the digitization of industry. Doeet adapts to companies of all sectors, sizes and production systems, to transform your factory into a true Industry 4.0. With Doeet, you can know the status of all machines, operators, work orders or raw materials, consulting production reports in real time on any device, and resolve any incident quickly, without affecting delivery times or costs. Doeet collects all the production data directly from the machines and from the operator's indications on the terminal. Doeet's internal engine performs calculations that show the actual efficiency of your production at all times. The Doeet system sends warnings to plant managers in the event of unplanned stoppages, slowdowns or quality reductions in order to improve efficiency and reduce costs. But that's just the beginning. By connecting Doeet to your ERP, you can plan the list of orders to be produced, send them to each workstation and know whether everything is running according to plan. The integrated traceability system records every batch of raw material used in the products manufactured. Its warehouse management functions allow all stocks to be known in real time. In addition to controlling the manufacturing parameters, the efficiency of each operator, or the state of the molds and tools. Doeet analyzes manufacturing costs and energy consumption in the plant, allows you to create visual factory panels, and manage everything from maintenance to manufacturing guidelines. Enter Industry 4.0 with Doeet.